All right, guys, here we go with part two of my anti-inflammatory, anti-epididymitis smoothies. All right, you guys have been asking me what I've been putting into my smoothies in order for me to get over epididymitis and my back inflammation and all of that. Here it is. First things first, remember part one was the cauliflower. Riced cauliflower was my substitute for ice. This was my second ingredient, which is turmeric. Turmeric comes from the Ayurvedic system of medicine. Turmeric is readily and easily available at Walmart or wherever you go grocery shopping. But anyway, there's the book, How I Got Rid of Epididymitis Using Liquid Gold. Okay? The Master Herbalist Guide they don't want you to know about. I am teaching you guys how to become your own doctor. Because that is the goal, is for you to become your own doctor. That way you can heal yourself from any ailment that arises in your life. You can heal yourself. You can heal your family. We as men need to be able to take care of, to be able to take care and protect our tribe. Do you understand? Now, this is what I also used. I used a juicer. There's the book, juicer. Everything that is in this video is going to be in a link in the description. Okay? I fasted sometimes 24, 48, 72 hours. And sometimes I only did a 12. But when I fasted, I would always sip on turmeric juice. Now, I made my own turmeric juice. Remember, turmeric is highly anti-inflammatory. So don't be scared to use this. This worked wonders for me. Look at that. Simply amazing. Mother Earth and all her glory. Look at that beauty right there. This juice right here fights cancer, fights diabetes, fights inflammation. If you have back pain, this thing works wonders. All right, now let's talk about the health benefits of turmeric. Turmeric allowed me to get over a lot of pain. I had back pain back when I was in Iraq, Afghanistan, constantly dealing with depression, PTSD. All those things was negated by using a little bit of turmeric. Type 2 diabetes. Turmeric does wonders for those of you who suffer from type 2 diabetes. We have to stop running to the drive-thru at McDonald's, drive-thru at Burger King. They are not going to heal us. Only Mother Earth can heal us. Viral infections. Sometimes epididymitis is caused by a viral infection. Okay, that's why turmeric works so well against epididymitis. It also helps with premenstrual syndrome. If you are a man, you're not dealing with this, but you were born from a woman. Hopefully, you want to marry a woman. You may have female children. Help them. Let them realize turmeric will work wonders for you. If you suffer from high cholesterol, turmeric works wonders for you there as well. If you suffer from Alzheimer's disease, if Alzheimer's runs in your family, you need to be taking turmeric. You need to add turmeric to your diet. It's the only way you're going to heal yourself. Arthritis, anything with an itis is inflammation. I constantly tell you guys in all my videos, anything with an itis, anything with the name itis in it, inflammation, tendinitis, bronchitis, arthritis, epididymitis, diverticulitis. Anything with an itis is inflammation. So you need to take things that fight inflammation. This also fights cancer. Cancer is running rampant in the human society today. I remember my grandmother used to tell me that was a disease only for rich people. Not anymore. Now babies are getting it. We have to be conscious of the things that we are putting in our body. If you suffer from headaches, turmeric works wonders as well. If you suffer from acne, turmeric works wonders. It is an anti-inflammatory. Wherever the inflammation is, in the skin, in the heart, in the lungs, in the liver, in the pancreas, turmeric is anti-inflammatory. So I keep telling you guys, you can become your own doctor. You have to, especially if you are the head of your family. You need to become your own doctor. You need to teach your children of herbalism, the way they can heal themselves. Several studies have shown that curcumin in turmeric fights osteoarthritis, osteoporosis. It has anti-aging, antimicrobial, antiviral properties. Now, a lot of people may tell you inflammation is bad. Inflammation plays a role. Inflammation is incredibly important because inflammation is your body's talking language. When your body is telling you something is wrong, it tells you by inflammation. That's why I tell you guys all the time, your body talks to you. All you have to do is listen. All you have to do is listen. Although acute short-term inflammation is beneficial, it can be a problem when it becomes chronic. If you have chronic epididymitis, that means you've been dealing with it for a long time. And any inflammation that is chronic, it causes a lot of problems. Chronic inflammation causes heart disease. It can cause a lot of different ailments. That's why we have to get rid of inflammation before it becomes chronic. Now, if it becomes chronic, it can be reversed, but you have to put in the work. Chronic inflammation can cause, like I said, heart disease and cancer. Chronic inflammation is bad. Regular inflammation is okay, but once it becomes chronic, you have a problem. And chronic epididymitis, oh my Lord, it's tough. I've been there, where you can't even sleep. When you looking at the TV and your stomach, the pain from the epididymitis went all the way into my abdomen. It's painful, man. I know what it's like. I've been there. And that's why I'm so adamant. I had to heal myself. That's why I'm so adamant about this stuff, man. And I'm trying to tell you guys, sometimes it hurts me when I see people quit the protocol, man. When I see you guys quit, I'm like, Jesus, man. This thing worked wonders for me. It can work wonders for you too. Why are you quitting? The problem is we have grown so accustomed to taking a pill. We always looking for a magic pill that's going to get rid of all our problems. Chronic inflammation don't work like that. We go to the doctor. Oh, you got epididymitis? Here's some antibiotics. Antibiotics. Come on, man. It's not going to do nothing. It's only going to cause more harm than good. But this is what I used. And this is what I'm telling you to use. I know everybody's epididymitis is caused by different things. Some is caused by a virus. Some cause infection. Some caused by trauma. It's caused by many different things. And everybody's epididymitis is different. All I can do is tell you about my epididymitis and how I got rid of it. I thought it was impossible to get rid of. I didn't realize it would be so simple and so hard. I went the Mother Earth route because I went the pharmaceutical route. And the pharmaceutical route almost killed me. I said, you know what? No more of this. I need to try something different. I tried this way and it got rid of it. Now I'm trying to tell you guys how to get rid of it too. So, turmeric, my friends. In part 3 of my inflammatory smoothie, I'm probably going to use bee pollen. But anyway, watch out for part 3. And guys, this stuff works, man. Go get the book. Reach out to me. I have no problem helping people. This worked for me. And I made it, put it in the book. I hope it'll work for you. You have to put in the work though. You can't just take the liposomal vitamin C and then think that's the magic pill. You have to fast. If you're not fasting, it's not going to work. If you're still drinking the beers and the alcohol, it's like, don't even waste your money on buying a book, man. It's not going to work for you. The book is only for those who are dedicated. Only for those who are willing to suffer to get rid of their epididymitis. It's not for the faint at heart. If you are not strong enough to put in the work, don't even waste your money. Hell, I made the shit cheap. I made the ebook. I think it's only $5 on Amazon. Probably less than that. This is not for those who are going to be weak. You have to put in the work. You have to. It's the only way. Anyway, man, add turmeric to your diet. You are your own doctor. And if you are a man, you are the head of your family. You need to make sure that your kids become herbalists. You need to make sure that your kids have the tools to be able to heal themselves. Don't let your kids get addicted to hamburgers and pizza because it's easy. Because when they go off on their own, guess what they're going to be eating? Hamburgers and pizza. You have to teach them that Mother Earth has food that will heal them. Look at it. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory. Everything that goes in your mouth needs to be anti-inflammatory. And everything that causes inflammation needs to stay out of it. All right? Peace.